Hello everyone, and welcome to Ask the Source. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that's important for anyone who creates or uses creative content: copyright. Whether you're a musician, a photographer, a writer, or a content creator, understanding copyright is essential to protecting your work and avoiding legal issues. So let's dive in and learn more about what copyright is, what it applies to, and what you need to know to stay on the right side of the law. First things first, what is copyright? Copyright is a legal concept that gives creators exclusive rights to use, distribute, and profit from their original works. This means that if you create something, you have the right to control how it's used, and others can't use it without your permission. This protection is automatic and applies to a wide range of creative works, including literature, music, photographs, software, and films. There are different types of copyright that apply to different types of works. For example, music has its own copyright laws, and software has different laws as well. But overall, the goal is the same: to protect the rights of creators and ensure that they can profit from their work. So what happens if you break copyright? Well, it depends. If you use someone else's copyrighted work without permission or a valid fair use exception, you could face legal action, damages, and fines. This can be a serious problem, so it's important to always get permission before using someone else's work. Now, let's talk about royalty-free commercial use and personal use. Royalty-free commercial use means that you can use a piece of content, such as a photo or video, for commercial purposes without paying the creator a fee. Personal use, on the other hand, means that you can only use the content for personal, non-commercial purposes. But can you use personal use only content in your YouTube videos? The answer is usually no. Personal use only content is meant for personal use only, and using it in a public forum like YouTube would likely violate the creator's copyright. However, there are some cases where you might be able to use personal use only content under fair use, so it's always worth doing your research and seeking legal advice if you're unsure. One of the terms you might encounter when using creative works is attribution required. This means that if you use someone else's work, you must give them credit for it. Creative Commons licenses are a type of copyright license that allows creators to share their work with certain permissions and restrictions. So there you have it, a brief overview of copyright, royalty-free commercial use, personal use, and what happens if you break copyright. Remember to always get permission before using someone else's work, and respect the rights of creators to control their own creations. At last, remember, understanding copyright is key to protecting your work and ensuring that you can profit from your creativity. So be sure to do your research and always ask for permission before using someone else's content. Thank you for watching and joining us here at Ask the Source. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting content. Stay curious and keep asking questions. See you in the next video.